career goals. I speak because I'm living, but it's through my writing I thrive, and I speak with passion. But I write to stay alive.
Enjoying it?
No, we enjoying it.
Did y'all eat some good food?
Yeah, we had some good food for sure.
Seafood macaroni.
Seafood macaroni?
Yeah, I just had a little icy. It was good.
Yeah, the icy. Wings. Alright, this was up. Y'all gonna come out next year?
For sure.
Alright, this was up. Taste test on the camera. Alright. Alright. Amazing. Did you like it? It was good.
The cornbread went bad.
Alright, I got it. Hey y'all. Hey y'all. Alright, did y'all like the food? Is it good? Is it good? It's good? Alright, where y'all go?
Riley Company.
Okay. Alright, thank y'all. Appreciate you.